Leporello.js is an online TypeScript playground and debugger. Your code is executed instantly as you type, with the results displayed next to it. No need to set breakpoints for debugging. Just move the cursor to any line and see what's happening. You can explore deeply nested objects, and everything is conveniently controlled from the keyboard. It's like having an ever-present debugger. You can select any expression and immediately see its value. To select an expression, just place the cursor inside it and press a hotkey to expand the selection. It works both at the module top level and within function scope. With Leporello, you can easily understand the execution path of your code. If an expression or statement has a blue background, it indicates that it was executed without any errors. A white background signifies that the code was not executed. On the other hand, a red background indicates that the code has thrown an error during execution. Leporello.js provides unparalleled debugging capabilities. It visualizes a dynamic call tree of your program with each node representing a function call. You can easily explore and navigate the call tree using arrow functions on your keyboard or by simply clicking on the node with your mouse. Selecting a node takes you to the call site, and expanding it brings you inside the function, allowing you to observe arguments, return values, local variables, and intermediate expressions. In traditional debuggers, execution moves only forward, one statement after another. With Leporello, time travel debugging becomes possible. You can jump to any point in program execution, both backward and forward. To debug a loop, simply place the cursor on any line, bring the call tree view into focus with a hotkey, and navigate through the list of iterations in either direction. You can inspect any expression in any iteration. Are you used to debugging with console log statements or a debugger? With Leporello, you get the best of both. Selecting a line printed by a console log call takes you directly to the corresponding code location, allowing you to inspect variables and expressions before and after that line. Console log statements serve as persistent breakpoints. Unlike traditional breakpoints, they do not pause program execution. Instead, all the breaks are collected in a list for later use, allowing you to navigate the list backward and forward, akin to a time machine. With Leporello, you can develop an HTML5 application interactively. You can modify your code and instantly see the new version of your code running without losing the application state. As you interact with your application, the executed functions are recorded in the call tree view, enabling you to debug them afterward. If your program involves numerous slow input and output operations, debugging can become tedious and time-consuming. Making small tweaks to your code can take a significant amount of time. However, with Leporello, it traces the input and output operations performed by your program. On subsequent program executions, it transparently replays the trace if the input and output operations remain the same. This allows your program to execute instantly, saving you valuable time. It also enables you to debug problems that occur sporadically, leveraging the full power of Leporello, including time travel debugging. Say goodbye to waiting for slow network requests and optimize your development workflow. Leporello serves as a computational notebook, enabling you to utilize any third-party JavaScript libraries for visualizing and exploring your data. You can create tables, charts, graphs, and figures to gain insights from your data within the Leporello environment. Leporello helps you maintain your coding flow, shortens the feedback loop, and enables quick iteration on your ideas. Say goodbye to scattering console log statements, running programs from the terminal, or stepping through breakpoints. Stay continuously connected to your creation.